Hey, hello and welcome to this special event of Georgette fabric. Now, this is one fabric that over the years, I think मैंने थोड़ा कम इस पे attention दिया. It's one of the most beautiful fabrics. We always do it as a side dupatta, even a kurta time to time, but we've never done a look dedicated to this fabric. I do so think that it deserves it. And as you know that the prices have increased, will be increasing from Monday, which is the 24th, and they'll be going to 3450 per meter. The Georgette that we do is absolutely special. It's heavy, it's beautiful, it's got this danedar feel to it, and it's stunning. Okay, thank you so much for everybody who's joining in. The style video of this look has been posted. It's already there up on the page, and you absolutely can check it out. Now, what I'm going to be showing you, and this is of course an ivory, the beautiful ivory color that we have. It is a dyed color. This is not the natural color of Georgette, so yes, it's been dyed. Now along with it, thank you so much, I will provide you the details of the accessories that I'm wearing. Thank you so much, I will let you know on that. Now coming back to the event that we are on, that today we're going to be offering you this beautiful fabric at a special price of not even 2950 जो हमारा old price था, but at 2800 per meter. And 2800 per meter अगर आप 5 मीटर लेते हैं you go for this dupatta, it's going to be for 25,000. So 5 meters plus this dupatta is going to be a look for 25,000 flat. Okay, we're going to be including India shipping. India shipping is all included. There's nothing extra. International shipping will be extra. Okay, now look at the beauty, look at the flow of this dupatta. You can see it's got some handwork detailing. And I will show a bit more about the detailing that we have done on the kurta in just a bit before I just put this dupatta aside. Now the special thing is, अगर मैं अलग से मैच बताऊं, this is 2800 per meter on offer. This dupatta, okay, as a special event of today's live, is also going to be at a price of what is that, 11,000, right? This dupatta is going to be at 11,000, yes. So 1800 less on this as well. It's 12,800. Now it's right now on 11,000 flat, and it's a great one to be going for. Now this ivory color, it's beautiful. It works on everyone. Let's go on to the detailing. First things first. You can see the top of my below bottom part of my kurta. It's got this chinia finishing that we have done, and it's visible from the top, Now, if you like a bit of a contrast in the textures, you can do this. If you want the flow to continue, then you can go all Georgette. My bottom is also Georgette, of course. I have used a mull cotton lining, right? That's the lining. It's a really soft, good lining, and that's the flow that you're getting even with the cotton lining. ये जो पूरा flow आ रहा है आपको. So use the best lining, use our lining, we'll color match it, and we're going to take a few days, like less than a week, to process all of these orders. Georgette dyeing is a specialty. We do it in a certain way. So less than a week, and we'll be shipping all the orders that will be coming. And this you can add, if you're going to add this, then I think you'll need about 1 meter extra of chinia silk. If not, just go for the full Georgette look. It's beautiful. The next look, now look at that. I'm going to just give you dupatta options first with this particular look. This is the second option that you can go for, okay? Of course, ये जो पूरा look है, ये किसी भी color में customize हो सकता है. We've put out the color options. It's there on the website, okay? It's there. But I'll also be showing it to you. So you can have this entire look in black. You can have in blue, red, pink, yellow, whatever. I have a lot of colors which anyways I'm going to be showing you. But on a separate note, it can be customized. Now, अब इसका जो मैच बैठता है वो 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टा अगर आप करते हैं तो इसका मैच बैठता है 28,000. It's all there here, okay? Same match है 2800 per meter, but dupatta right now on a special price of 14,000. Original price है इसका 15,800. So yes, 1,800 less on this dupatta. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's got that, a slightly more dressy look. So yes, it's absolutely wonderful, this particular look, okay? And we're not going to be deleting this live even later on because it is the launch of this brand new look. So remember that the price that I'm quoting here is only till the 24th. After that, of course, it's going to be on a revised rate and you can do it, but this look will always be available. So there you go. That's the most gorgeous one that you can see right here. It's extremely pretty. Now coming to how much fabric you will need. मैं मैथ्स आपको सब 5 मीटर प्लस दुपट्टे का दे रही हूँ. That's the maths. This is the fabric. This is the exact fabric color that I am wearing. Okay. अब इसकी width क्या है? Do we have the width of this? If not, get a tape. Let's just do the width right here. Width जो होती है इनकी, ये देखिए प्योर जॉर्जेट है. इसकी width है करीबन 42. मैं ये बोलूंगी आपको, ठीक है, 42 है. नाउ द वे टू मेजर जॉर्जेट, ये आपको जानना बहुत जरूरी है. ओके, दैट व्हेन वी डू दिस इज द ये पूरा ऐसा ढीला है. यू हैव टू पुट इट स्ट्रेट टू मेजर इट. जब आपने 5 मीटर किया ऑर्डर तो आपको 5 मीटर ऐसे ऐसे मिलेगा. इसको इतना ढीला आप छोड़ेंगे तो नाप कभी मैच नहीं होगा. रिमेंबर दैट. ओके, दैट्स ऑलवेज द थिंग विथ जॉर्जेट. नाउ लुक एट दैट. दैट्स द कलर. दिस इज द एग्जैक्ट कलर दैट आई एम वेयरिंग. Now we're going to be showing you one very special thing, okay, which is this 12,800 dupatta, which is also today for 11,000, yes. And the match is again 5 meter plus dupatta for 25,000. Let's show you this dupatta. Now what I was saying कि मैच तो हमने even on the website अगर आप देखेंगे लाइव है हर जगह ये, और वेबसाइट पे आपको डायरेक्ट रेट दिख रहे हैं जो हम दे रहे हैं, आपको डायरेक्ट दिख रहे हैं, जो सो स्लैश करके नहीं आ रहा है ओरिजिनल एंड बिफोर एंड आफ्टर, आपको फाइनल रेट ही दिख रहा है. अब मेरा ये कहना है कि ये दुपट्टा इट्स अ रियली नाइस वन और ये है ऑफर में. सो गो फॉर द दुपट्टा. आई विल बी शोइंग यू द मेनी कलर्स दैट वी हैव इन इट, एंड for 11,800 bucks, that's what you're saving on the dupattas. Now that's a Georgette look. Now, so you take your pick, okay? You go for a Georgette look, you go for organza look. Organza में भी 2 option है, Georgette में भी 2 option है. So yes, that's what we really wanted to do, give you enough options for you to be able to pick out. It's amazing, it's beautiful, okay? It's really pretty. Take your pick on if you like this. So 2 option Georgette में, 2 option organza है. Okay, so I think the only thing जो मुझे explain करना रह गया है कि सिलुएट में कितना लगेगा. इस सिलुएट में मैं अगर आपको बताऊं तो 5 मीटर प्लस 2.5 मीटर, 7.5 मीटर का मैच है ये. This is still the size of large. If you are XL, then you need to go 1 meter more. XL to, I think double XL will go 1 meter more, so 8.5 मीटर. Otherwise, the width मैंने बताया कपड़े की 42 है और मीटर आप जितना लेना चाहे ले सकते हैं. मेरे सिलुएट में 5 प्लस 2.5 7.5 है. All the mass that we are giving you, of course, is for a straight look. So then आपकी मर्जी है कि आप कितना लें. दुपट्टा, somebody is asking कितना टाइम लगेगा to deliver the dupatta. It's ready to ship out. Today we can ship it out for you. Now let's start with the gorgeous colors that we have in it. The exact same look, okay, like the mats of the same thing जो मैंने पहना है 5 मीटर plus dupatta. This is 25,000 again. And yes, I mean look at this beautiful color. अब इसमें क्या होगा, आप कलर भी देख सकते हैं एंड आप पीसेस भी देख सकते हैं, एंड इट्स एन अमेजिंग लाइव. I mean look at that. We just got back from Chandigarh. It was amazing. Big thanks for that. And we are back in action full on. But this most beautiful, oh look at that dupatta. Isn't that just amazing? इतना सुंदर है इसका look. And with that, and मैंने how we kind of designed this event, we thought that first the price is going to increase, okay, because over the years our making cost of this fabric has drastically increased, so we got to do that, okay. And also it's a specialized kind of dyeing. That's a beautiful color. Each one you're going to have a tough choice picking up the right color. I'm sure you will. Okay, we should try the dupatta. I want to wear the dupatta and also show it. Like maybe you can even go for a contrast. Like look at that. I mean, you can do ivory such a base that you can do a soft pink, lemon yellow contrast for all of those. I know I see so many of you wearing those themes, especially to all the baby showers that you guys attend. So somebody says, I want a pink outfit, I want a yellow outfit, I want a blue outfit. This one is a great one. But on the serious side of it, look at this combination. It's amazing, amazing. And if you're going to build up a contrast like a off-white and pink, which I think you must, मेरा तो ये suggestion रहेगा, एक में आप off-white ले और एक में आप pink ले, like do both the colors because they are so fabulous. Wear a multicolored jewelry and you will be able to pick up any color that you want. I love this one. I mean, look at that. Oh my God, it's a beautiful rust. All of these colors are on the website. We have all the pictures ready with us to share with you. It's going to be an amazing day today. We have the most beautiful, look at that. Oh my God, here it is. isn't that perfect? और जितने भी नंबर 1 ऑप्शंस हैं फॉर द दुपट्टा, जिन पे भी ऑफर है, जो भी फैब्रिक्स है, आई एम शोइंग इट टू यू एवरीथिंग इन दिस वन लाइव. दिस इज द ओनली लाइव टुडे. देयर इज नथिंग मोर. ओके, वी हैव डन एवरीथिंग इन दिस वीडियो इटसेल्फ सो दैट इट्स छोटा सा, जल्दी से आप देख सके एंड जाके ऑर्डर ले सके. आई मीन, look at that beautiful color. So this is going to be 5 meter plus dupatta for 25,000, and this live is a special live, so you're going to be seeing this price point. And oh my god, now look at that color. I mean, kya collection hai, kya color hai. Okay, now so much work happens, you know, when I'm around, when I'm not around. All of these prep, you know, you can see this beautiful handwork collection, making in weeks for this, for one day, एक आज का दिन है, which is going to be special for you, and we have prepped weeks for you to be able to get this amazing look right there. And I think this dupatta, इसकी जो beauty है in these bold motifs, you absolutely must enjoy. Now I'm going to be showing you the colors. Now each color, so do we have like a picture of each set individually? So we have a picture of each of this set that I'm showing you. Okay, well, a lot of times you ask me, you know, ye color kaisa hai, so we're going to show you everything exactly so that there is no confusion. It's a beautiful color. Organza matlab, you know, it's that cloud feel, it's dreamy, it's beautiful. A lot of you, I mean, I think associated with Bollywood as well. So yeah, it's all of that visions coming together when you wear it. And of course, for making it so much easier, because I do think, ऑनेस्टली अगर मैं बताऊं, बहुत लोगों के डर में बहुत है अबाउट ऑर्गेन्जा कि मैं कैसे लगूंगी, हाउ एम आई गोइंग टू वेयर इट. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू, यू ट्राई आवर ऑर्गेन्जा. व्हेन यू हैव worn our organza, you're not going to go back, okay? Because when you want to look like oof, like that, you got to be going for organza. It is mind blowing. But at the same time, if you feel more comfortable with georgette, go for it. You can do a complete georgette look as well. I mean, that's absolutely amazing, and you can do that. So अब WhatsApp पे ले, website पे ले, website पे भी you know, payment mode is open. Or as always, we are here in studio. ले जहाँ मन करे, you know, whatever works for you best, do that. Okay. Now, so as I was saying, we've done an organza. We have done the work, 2 options in it. We've shown you the color. Now what we are going to do, we are going to play to the fabric. As I said, it's such an unexplored you know, piece over the year. इसको उतना justice नहीं किया हमने इस fabric को, कभी look ही नहीं किया, उतना ध्यान नहीं दिया. आज हमारा ये पूरा dedicated day है where we're going to just talk about this beautiful fabric with you. Now what we've also done is that we have done this georgette दुपट्टा. ओके, वी जस्ट डन दिस ब्यूटिफुल जॉर्जेट हाईलाइटिंग दुपट्टा, और जिसका प्राइस एग्जैक्टली अगर आप मुझे पूछे तो 14125 है विद द हैंडवर्क. ओके, मैं एक थोड़ा सा पास में आके आपको दिखा देती हूँ. ऑल ऑफ दैट, सो देयर इज दैट हाईलाइटिंग, देयर इज ऑल ऑफ दैट. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल फ्लो and it's got that highlighting. Now this one is 14125 for the dupatta. The mats, अगर 5 मीटर का मैच है, सिंपल है, 14,000 इन ऑफर. ओके, सो दैट्स द प्राइस. एंड देन लेटर ऑन, कैन यू गिव मी द मैच ऑफ, हाँ, 28,125 करेक्ट, राइट. पहले मतलब जो ओरिजिनल है ये 28,750 है, और जो अब है वो है, अच्छा, विद द, ओके, सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट दैट आल्सो इन दिस. ओके, नाउ आई विल गिव यू द मैच. सो अच्छा, बहुत सारे अभी सुबह मैंने क्वेश्चंस देखे on the fact that can you wear georgette as a bottom. Okay, now here you can see me wearing the georgette bottom. You can see that, right? I'm wearing a georgette bottom. Now many of you prefer that you want a silk bottom with it. So this complete collection that I'm going to be showing you is going to be 2.5 meter with plain silk chinia bottom, and look at how beautiful it looks with this handwork dupatta in georgette. The mats is going to be 26,750 for the entire 3-piece set. 26,750, एंड जो ओरिजिनल प्राइस है इसका वो है 28,750. लेट्स पुट इट ऑन. सो वी आर गोइंग एट 26,750. और इस सेट्स के जो मैं कलर्स है मैं अब आपको एक साथ दिखा रही हूँ. इनमें हमने क्या किया है कि आपके पास चॉइस है दैट आप इसका बॉटम ले ले एज चिनिया. If you want to go for this dupatta plus 5 meter georgette, you can do that. Then the mats will be different. But कितना 28,125 ना, 28,125 होगा अगर 5 मीटर ये लेते हैं और ये दुपट्टा लेते हैं, और अगर ये ऐड कर देते हैं तो देन इट इज व्हाट 26,750. सो अगर तो यू आर सेविंग अ बिट इफ यू गो फॉर अ प्लेन चिनिया बॉटम. अगेन मेनी ऑफ यू प्रेफर द फैक्ट दैट यू वांट अ प्लेन चिनिया. मैं बहुत क्लोजली दिखा रही हूँ आपको सेट so that it's really close up, and chinia in itself is a beautiful fabric. यही fabric है जो मैंने यहाँ लगाया है. You can see that here it's been done. You can do this color in all of your, like you can do the styling. Now dark colors we have done very soft, very beautiful colors so far. अब मैं थोड़ा सा darkness में भी आ रही हूँ so that I can show you how amazing our Georgette is. We make the most beautiful Georgette, Danedar Georgette, okay? We don't do it by weight. We just tell you and show you how amazing this whole, the widths are very, length तो आपकी choice है, width मैंने आपको बताया 42 है, and बाकी आप पे कि you know how many meters you want. You can go 5, 4, 3, 2, you know, take it up to you. So that, I mean, look at that. It's amazing. What a brilliant color. क्या glorious लगेगा. सूट हैंडवर्क किया हुआ है. Kurta ready hai, bottom ready hai, this first piece is ready to go out, and you know you have everything in this, so you know you don't have to really worry कि यार मैं क्या थोड़ा सा highlighting कराने की जरूरत है. Not really. Now if you want the kurta also to be highlighted, just tell us, we'll do it for you. So of course the charges will be extra, but we'll do it for you. Now this one is the most glorious turquoise blue. Okay, I really hope you can see this color. It is most amazing color. It's very very pretty. It's a glorious turquoise blue, and Sally एक ही कलर है, थोड़ा सा ये और थोड़ा सा I think sea green, जो कई बार clear नहीं दिखता है, but it is most fabulous. If you are that person who has a lot of Firoza in their wardrobe, take this one because it's going to be outstanding. Okay, now what you're also going to be going for is this, you know, here it is. Now this one is really this one dusty pink color that is so fabulous. Okay, it is absolutely amazing. Look at that, it is fabulous. So here you can see this really beautiful dusty pink. This, that's on one color again, 26,750, 2.5 meter, and it's, you know, that's the full thing. And the colors, acha, very important. The color that you're seeing is all in the natural light. और ये क्वेश्चन आता है, ये जितने सुंदर दिख रहे हैं ये एक्चुअली में इतने सुंदर हैं क्या? शुरू मैं मेरा ये कहना है कि ये इससे भी ज्यादा सुंदर है, and I am not the one who is saying that. This is what my clients have told me over years, that in spite of your 700 plus 800 900 lives, what are they, what's the count? We tell them the count. I want that count next time we go live कि हमारी काउंटिंग कहाँ है लाइव्स पे. पर मेरा ये कहना है कि over all of those 800-900 lives that we have done, my clients have always said that your pieces actually जब हमें आते हैं तो इनसे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर लगते हैं. And I think I cannot expect a bigger, you know, positive appreciation, but yes, that affirmation of the fact that what we are doing is right. Okay, more than yours. So I mean, look at that. It's a beautiful yellow. Now, what family of yellow is it? This going to be this? Butter yellow. I think, yeah, it's going to be butter because it's not lemon, okay, and it's not a sunflower. It's like a butter yellow, and it's glorious, and it's as beautiful as butter is. You know how it is, right? Oh my God! I mean, as much as we do not want to eat, I mean, you know, it's the best thing ever, right? I mean, of course, we'll all agree. Now, from that, what we're going to do first? Let's just do the plain. Okay, now I'm just going to do the plain bits. Now we just have. This is the third part of the live. The first part where we did the color, the iske dupatte ke option, I will call that the first part of the live, where we did this fabric and the color option. The second one was all the organza looks that we did. The third one was the katana dupatta in Georgette that we did. The fourth part is this, the only color options, where we're just showing you the fabric. Now you can pick up whichever dupatta you want, organza, Georgette. Remember, organza dupatta at 1800 less, Georgette dupatta. Oh my God, what a yellow. Can you see something like this? I mean, look at that yellow. How amazing it can be. It's just beautiful. It is too good. I mean, this is of course very, very nice. But yellow like this, I have not seen us make it. So I'm extremely happy with the collection that we have done. It's outstanding. Okay, oh, very distinct three colors. Okay, I'm having fun this morning because I mean that's the whole idea, right? What a beautiful collection. थोड़ा सा है, हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, and that's it. And it's for you to buy on the website, on WhatsApp, in store, wherever you want. Okay. Now look at that. Here it is. So very three distinct colors. 2800 per meter. Buy it as much as you want. And of course, get your favorite organza dupatta at 1800 less. Get your favorite Georgette dupatta at 1800 less. Okay. So this live, I mean, that's where this entire event is sourcing from, where you've gotten these special ones. We're not going to remove this live. It's, you know, it's beautiful colors put together. And हमने कई बार देखा है कि ये फिर दूसरी बार हम करते तो same चीज नहीं आती. So we're not going to remove the live. But of course, all of these price only applicable till 23rd, which is Sunday. And you can see that, oh my god, that's amazing. Okay, look at that. This, you know, I'll tell you iski story. This is a color that I love so much wearing from a brand that I really like and admire. Okay, like it's a pant. Okay, it's a western pant, but I like the color so much, and I could only dream that, you know, worn with white the way I'm wearing it as a, you know, t-shirt, it would be amazing as a suit too. So you can go for a white dupatta. Can we get the white Georgette dupatta again, or even this? I think even this would be good. Like, look at that, how wonderful it looks. बट मुझे ये लगता है कि अगर ये दुपट्टा इस कलर में बनाया जाए तो और भी सुंदर लगेगा. ओके, सो डोंट फॉरगेट. एंड एक लाल तो बनता है. सो दिस इज द रेड. सो लुक एट दैट. टू अमेजिंग फैब्रिक. आई मीन एक बार मुझे फॉल दिखानी. आई विल शो द रेड. एक्चुअली आई हैव शोन दिस. सो इट इज अमेजिंग. नाउ लुक एट दैट, हाउ इट फ्लोज. This is how it's going to be. You know, think ivory, think red, do whatever color you want, but it's going to be amazing. I could, in fact, even do a red and white like this. Why not? You know, you could do a suit of this. You could go for this dupatta, plain with kardana. That's a beautiful one. Or you could go for an organza in this color. Georgette ke jo colors hain, I mean, you cannot beat them. They are absolutely unique, outstanding. That's the whole joy. I'm so obsessed with this color ivory. I mean, I love it in every roop and form. And that's what we're going to do. Now we're going to go on to the last part of our live, which is going to be our Georgette dupattas, which in this live is for, what is the price? 11,000. And we're going to be going for this dupattas. Okay, the Georgettes with it. Okay, the matching looks with it. That's the last part, and that's it. So this set again 25,000, 5 meter, 7.5 meter लेना हो आपको. Be like go for it. My thing is go for it. Don't wait too long. सोचते हुए कि मैं कितना लूँ. I get so many requests that, you know, मैम ले, फिर वो बाद में कम पड़ता है fabric. Go for a 7.5. Oh, that is amazing. I love this. And in fact, with this one, this dupatta on its own, if you want to go for it, 12,000. No, 11,000. Okay, yeah, 11,000. That's the price. For now, it's beautiful. Okay, no tassels. Of course, tassels are 2450 extra. So remember that. Engine में भी नहीं है. And what a color, guys, what a color. Now iska jo price aata hai na, 5 meter plus this dupatta, this is 26,800 dupatta as always. Okay, and this fabric, so iska price aata hai 40,800, and it is amazing. 5 meter plus dupatta. But the main thing is, just see this beautiful dupatta. It is absolutely mind-blowing. I mean, look at the fall of it. Excuse me. The fall of it, it is so good. This one. So in fact, if you want to go yeah, I'm going to have that. If you want to go for this dupatta in ivory, that's also going to look amazing. Okay, so we are on to the last part where we're going to be showing you some colors, and along with it some beautiful. And now these, so you've seen the peaches and the pinks and the neons, in fact. And now to the real hits. Ivory भी देखा आपने. Real hits, the golds, okay? And the golds, and this is again 25,000. Look at that. This amazing combination. I'm telling you, you cannot go away from this live without doing one or more set. Okay? 38,800. Now I've gotten our classic dupatta, which is the knee boota. And look at that. Here it is. This amazing look. and I am telling you, you have to go for an organza look, for a Georgette look, and then of course उसमें भी बहुत choices है. But now, you know, when the golds come out, then you know that we're just, you know, just really doing a good job out of it. The hot pink, okay, which one can never have enough of. Look at that. I mean, like, you can just pause and see the fact that you can also do an ivory and this gorgeous dupatta, 11,000 today, okay, in this live, and it's amazing one. So here it all. I mean, like, kill me. Like, look at this, guys. Just look at this. I mean, क्या मैं बोलूँ कि इसको, I mean, there's nothing. I have no words to describe and, you know, supersede whatever it's looking like. It's like $1 million, okay? And we don't ever stop at, you know, really doing well. We always want to surpass. And look at that. That's another design in this stunning hot color. Oh my God, you have such a tough job today to find your favorite color. This is like gorgeousness. Go for a long flowy dupatta. I mean, of course, I always say that we are not sari people. So we never remember the fact that you can actually use it as a sari. But sure, you know, I mean, do it. Like, look at it, because it's going to wrap up so nicely when you like just drape it over. And you, I mean, everybody wants that moment, yeah. When you're wearing this one hot pink and you're like, you anyways are the showstopper, always, okay. I mean, and I 101% believe it. It's really important for me that you believe that you guys are smashing. Neev ke kapde ho now, I mean, that's another thing, okay. But you guys are the most beautiful ones. And this one, so you're gonna, you know, light up the room any which ways. But ye dekhiye, I mean, I love the black, okay. Today, of course, black is going to be about a need basis because everybody needs black. So you have to have a black, you have to have a pink, a red, a cream. Ye agar nahi hai colors, you should have them. But today is also about the most glorious new colors that have come that you should go for. And this one is a really nice one. And of course, the dupattas, which are at 11,000, are going to be amazing, okay? We're down to the last 5 colors, and then we're done. You know, we've shown you everything in live, and these beautiful dupattas that you can now have endlessly, as many as you like, okay? So you should go for that. And I have, you know, the most beautiful. So you've seen a lighter brown, which was actually a brown. Now I'm going to be showing you a color which has an undertone of pink, okay? So this, if you tell me ye kya brown hai, here some shades of browns, but this is strongly an undertone of pink. In fact, it's a pink with an undertone of brown. That's how I would describe this color. जिस तरीके से ये लाइव में दिख रहे हैं, ये exactly ऐसे ही हैं. Because this is all natural light that we do it in. All our pictures are also in natural light. So they are looking exactly. Now this beautiful one, this is going to be your set. It's going to be classy, amazing. It's everything that you want in this season. You know, because एक तो शादी season है, ठीक है? So शादी season के लिए we have all of this. But दूसरा है party season. The party season is all the pre-post, you know, and all the events, and so many of you in India, जब ये पहनना है, this whole look is your party season. Of course, you can dress it up, do heavier dupattas, you know, all that. But it is absolutely mandatory that you have these colors with you. You know, I keep thinking, you know, like, अगर मुझे कहीं भी, you know, कुछ लिखना होता है about Neev, you know, they say, oh, describe Neev, what do you do at Neev? You know, all of those questions, because they're always there. And I think, you know, it's such a strong option for you to style yourself like your personal statement. So when I say how much is Neev about me, I think it is so much about you. Because you really can create your personal style statements with us. You know, we're just enablers, we'll get you what you want. But at the end of it, it's all about the magic that you guys create. कैसे आप इसको इतने ब्यूटिफुली पहनते हैं, इसको स्टाइल करते हैं. सो अगर आज की डेट में मुझे कोई पूछे व्हाट इज नीव, आई विल से इट्स योर पर्सनल स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट, ओके. You can make your styles, you can choose the fabrics, the colors, the looks, the silhouettes, the way you want it. So it's all for you and it's all by you, okay? We are only just showing you what is possible, and of course, the creations that I like to make, we do make, that's for you to see. But iska jo final outcome hai, wo to aap pe hai, and you guys do such a fabulous job. So if I were to describe it in one say, I would say it's your personal style statement. Yes, so that's what Neve is. It's a personal style statement. I believe in it strongly that you do such a fabulous job. You know, we can just make them and bring it to you, but at the end of it, you guys are amazing, okay? So look at that. Now, this one is really a strong pink, okay? There is very minor hint, but it is a very, very strong pink, this one. And we have all the colors in the pictures. Inki sabke pictures hai hamare paas? Yes, we have all the pictures. I am just asking this question and again because, you know, kai baar hota hai ki koi ek combination reh jata hai. When we are prepping, we have so much going on, then ek do chhut jata hai. But if I know that what you've seen is all that is ready, it's all on the website, then I'm done. My job is done. Okay, my team is with you on the chats. They're constantly chatting with you. We are here in our studio in Mumbai. Of course, anybody who's in and around, you know, just come here. And for the website from anywhere in the world, oh my God, look at that. Look at this piece. It is absolutely stunning. International shipping 3850. India shipping complimentary. Oh my God, to kill for. Like, look at this color. It's now this color is purple. Okay, it's purple. I'm just going to say that it's a purple color. So this one is a purple color. We've taken about 36 minutes of yours. I'm going to just take like 5 minutes more to do one very important thing. One thing is this. Oh, that's the Neve dupatta. It is fabulous in every which ways that you do. But this combination, it's amazing, amazing. Okay. So मेरा काम है आपको एक से ज़्यादा दुपट्टे दिखाने के लिए, so that you have seen everything that there is to see, okay? And I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to just take like 2 minutes to wind up to say few things. One, this fabric is now 3450 per meter. This Georgette fabric, effective from 24th till 23rd. You're going to be getting this at 2800, which is like a great deal, right? So that's the first thing. Till the same date, you're also going to be getting these beautiful Georgette dupattas at 11,000. So there you go. You can get it at 11,000. This wonderful, most beautiful dupatta. The organza dupatta, I'm just going to be wearing it right now, is also at 11,000. And you can customize that in any color you want. And I'll show it to you exactly which one I'm going to talk about. This is the dupatta that I'm talking about. You have to just give me a second. This dupatta, this can be done in any color that you've seen. Georgette का कोई भी color इसमें ये बन सकता है. But जहाँ handwork की बात आती है, you'll have to give us a little time. Even the Georgettes, they're all going to be shipped out next week, okay? That is the time it takes us to process your orders beautifully, correctly, everything, you know. It's like we really have a very thorough post-sales process. So, utna time lagega. And make sure you get your dupattas. अच्छा, बात आती है कि अगर आपको कलर अभी सोचना है, but you want to do it, you go book your piece now. Okay, which is you say कि यार मुझे 7.5 मीटर चाहिए and दुपट्टा वाइट में कर दो, फिर मैं कलर बताती हूँ. Fair, you can do that. Now this most beautiful 5 meters plus dupatta is 25,000. So I'm giving you the match of 5 meters plus dupatta. Mera silhouette will be about 7.5 meters, so you can take a bit more and the match will change accordingly. But my suggestion is to you is to go for two kind of different looks, one with Georgette, one with organza. Organza, the dupattas will take a little time because, you know, it's a process, right? It's a handwork, so it takes a little time. And that's it. Thank you so much. The only amazing live for you today with all of this gorgeousness. Hope you will really like the attention that we put on this beautiful fabric today. And yes, have a great one. I will see you soon. Bye-bye.